pay pacho ofro car senatie entumu aba anase ntumu mai
Akoma FM
0598 870448 0598870448 eno eye yen WhatsApp number pacho yen freso 0598870448 0598870448 Mr. A voice note anopay saying that here ofro kan saying it here enra yehu krata eno so
Akoma FM
ababonten ya sa krata no so e ka bibidi afa transport fare ehun na we road transport operators almost say 20% no a ya tete ho asem e wo what bi wo radio so wakin kan bi wo internet so ba bi a wote na bi a mate kra na ka kire wo a mate for na no a obedi nkomo pa o maame otena no wabo ahu na 20% eba oji sika na sesa ma wa ne so ode to so ya mate for ni bi anope wo mo tie mi a o mo ye heavy pa until so obeti bi foforo no ebu ha obon kae o get side education no nti oju sika no a no aka cho se maame bacho yame admo chena ye betum why ti o chena ba no aboa ho ebinum e wo notice a wo so ba raka ni mu no na ebo ho effective 2nd June say 1 cedi a e ba be 1 cedi 20 pesos say two no ma o ma check ni sa de abo ho nti wo be ready ansa na ade ache ebinum wo ho so de omo no omo fa ho omo de ansa ade ache no omo gigi sika. And some of them calculation ekron be no crowd 20% do say broso but ni nyina ko wie se e wo se yetua ana ma yentua Minua Godfred Abubere eye GPRTU General Secretary mame nko no way na me ni nkomo Godfred, good morning.
Good morning, my brother. How are you?
I am good. Na so betima ka twi kakra.
Awampa betima ka kakra. Deep.
Ai anopay etie wa santimantem ha.
Yo.
Yet you said 20% to be entumu eba. And then Yahoo statement and also so GPRT for in this statement, but who said Godfred Wankasa was signing the statement. Say 20% no home komo ekoso our radio so any internet so no. Ma yentua anase ma yanyintum adanti na mo kan sa
let me say first of all I don't know 20% in common na echicha bebia no it's hosted by obia only catholic nipa na odi salete no na ma wie na obia kika no only satumi say abere lord asem kwa dia this is GPRTU and a GPRTU. Unfa na betra ko transport data ko oh we na kosoro se pasa kosoro we ya kosoro nti my antenna se na hwe esenkadia no yebe first sign no de kafo ana afu no abafom say na betra tifriso yenkwa ya was atu no but some from previous records no obi betra so that say actually for na kasoro tini ya betu lor fe 10%. Ebra want me anka ma obi afuka bia ahuni ni ekoso. If you want to say no kwa then you rely on fuel increment kwa. And then I said no. Started no fuel no it started from 17. And a bottom sa back 10, 11. It's happened that I could do 18. And President Eden decided woman and then back from 17. And I said I was 16. And a young publication from MP said, China, from back from to 15. And I said, oh, Mukasana. And then I have it with a pen to say, young two lot of them. Yes, change. I didn't back off and just happen. And the right now, it's right there. I'll be
Akoma FM.
it's my call. Your call minister watching. I don't know.
Okay.
And I got issues I said no. And then start to now be a kind of embassy, and it is from an illegal source. And today, Obia couldn't finish Lord Park Biana. Also, Obia at 2 Lord Femua, almost 40 million. Say, you better say in Padia, every Maya. Say, yes, woman, they have come in here. Protoa, cooperatives, and Tiger, and then other unions. They are all forming the GRCC. So, we go for now, more to more. Just report to us, I will know what to do.
So source na mo kano mo timi identify the source as information if buy that publication 20%.
Yes, and then the was I know they have confirmed that they did not get the permission. They did not get the permission from the superiors before they came out with that publication.
And so how do you treat sa publication no? Say nipa no so wanya approval from mpanifo no de sa publication about outer. You see, I can say, I mean, it's causing a lot of problems. I mean, system yes. So enti mo ya ne den, mo ya sa nipa ne den, na mo be na mutu mo and she be a mre bia mo be gina so de atwe obi aso ana.
Yeah, in-house problem. Enti will find on air like that.
Hey, but this is of public interest. What's here who? Anna?
Oh, yeah, but the action we are going to take on them should not be made known to you on air.
Akoma FM.
And at this point, Mami Musao say, does it mean say Muhuni say baby Edri? Enuka say ye to transport fares mukra, and now you think that be a 20% in there? So which of them now? Mujinas is here.
The two of them.
The two of them
is on the higher side, and then the second one is the period now doesn't call. So a lot of the 3, 4, or even 5 factors. A couple as a lot of some bit rather. Well, if you go around only for one day, you begin to shout, say, Lord, I am so there, but I will have it. Really final.
And in your case, Momo de no de na ya mo kekambo mu amode. We want to know. Etie for person mu hu. E de na ya mo kekambo mu ansana. Mo timi arrive at be at 10% or 1% or 2%. But you de na ya mo.
You start here to make high. You say lot of it depends on several factors. Okay, for now, you can spare pass. Okay, lubricants. Okay, taxes. Okay, taxes are every yearly insurance and then there. And then assembly fees and all that. We don't just rely on only from Ghana. No, it consists of only 30% of the cost of a commercial car. Oh, so we don't just rely on only that one, and then begin to forge from fair agreement. So yes, Anna, let's say China for the Sabbath former. Oh yeah, day. What's that? More the antithesis of the agenda. And if you cast your mind back from I believe early part of this year, a performs almost 9 point something per liter and do and then you know committees in I'm professor of a lot of us no me and I'm still a lot of friends so my Mukasa Marianti was in that say lot of Basaba for after 15%. No, it's active different one. That's why they change that for the cost of a red name. So, same way, look at that. we maintain, although the fuel capped down to 0.9. So that one, we don't need to rush in terms of fare increment based on only fuel. On the fuel prices, they plateau. They're not fixed.
So, and what he the Amakan and one no, and I say more bibi amo baby because possible say drivers need be badges are sike am okay. E bi mo ya so de anche. Dia na mo ye they are preventing sanema no.
I will say that one we are only just going to empower the passengers to make sure when you get to a station and a station, you know, on what to do that 20% now, just report to us, and I will know what to do.
The money minister share no, is there anything I'm sign a table say minister and consider farmer more as operators?
No, we only need to get this problem solved first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Minua meda say enti the news is that ene o ye passenger na wutie ne a old fare na wutua ne no na also wutua.
Yes.
Okay. Meda say Minua, thank you very much. Your friend no Godfred Abubere or your General Secretary de ma Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRTU of TUC Ghana. And I know I didn't come on. And no, ye woman so no.